In this video, I'll show you how to fix Face ID not working on your iPhone X after a screen replacement. This is a common issue, and I've got 4 methods you can try. Let's get started. Method 1. Check if True Depth camera was transferred. Face ID will stop working if the original True Depth camera module wasn't properly moved from the old screen. Only the original Face ID parts will work. They're uniquely paired with your iPhone's motherboard. Open the front camera and test both front cam and Face ID sensors. If it wasn't transferred correctly, you'll need to return to the technician or shop who replaced the screen. Method 2. Clean Face ID sensors. Use a soft cloth to clean the top area of your screen. Remove any screen protector or glass that might be covering the Face ID sensors. Make sure nothing is blocking the camera and dot projector. Method 3. Reset Face ID. Go to Settings, Face ID, and Passcode. Tap Reset Face ID, then set up Face ID again. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. If Face ID still won't set up, it's likely a hardware issue. Method 4. Update or restore iOS. Sometimes a fresh iOS install can help. Connect your iPhone to a computer and open iTunes or Finder. Create a backup, then choose Restore iPhone. After setup, test Face ID again. Note: if the screen was replaced with unauthorized tools or improper technique, software or hardware locks may block Face ID. Bonus tip: visit Apple or Authorized Repair Center. Apple doesn't support Face ID repairs unless done by certified technicians. If none of the above works, your best bet is to visit an Apple store or Authorized Repair Center for a proper diagnostic. Underscore. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more iPhone repair tips and mobile solutions.